당아도 단다 브리스톤에 단다 버스 나 전에 도되게 안에 시다 계획에 따르니 런던 캠베 도고요. 단다 버스는 도 드네체 드네메 까마 가세세 쉽지 고게 살아. 드네 도 좀 고도 안에 템포 메트네 트렌 셴에 도아이 안에 이게 다 추스 말에 도딩이 텐토와 치기 다들이 나도 칸디다 치기 예매데 말에 되게 부분이 돼요. 까마 가진 거고도 순성하래 알이야야 차발랑아니 데데요데 부분이 잡라데도 아니 들라 데데
저쪽에 유럽 스무스에 상마 안에 상마가 tas는데 그래 캠베 이마 가서 그래 손바들에 시와래 사시와 난 란델 두고 그래서 브리스톤에 란델 두고 와 가서 6개월 쉬냐 필리핀다 상마에 강망망 좀 레와이에 아니 좀 두면은 제마 드린 좀나 주마 가도 에네 좀 요아이나 하는 때 한국은 나로나 그게 셔에 조정한 진짜 도체나 인사체네 거기 가면 낭서 오당아도 템포메들랄레소 아니 단델링에 로바지고 돼요. 나도 미 게여와 단 남징아도 미 게게도고 어레 소남기까지 대신에 레소 템포메들 Thank you. 야. 딩뱅카테 연즈드치 답만 텐디치 답고도. 콩아츠기 카테도 마 답마도 라그레라스. 오늘 잠장가도 그 놈에지는 지기도. 로겐구 차그래다. 다 코도 도와지요. 스모망스로나. 오늘 다들이 나도 거기를 다 캠베치 오르와. Three Cambodia, 3 Tunde take a Western Tate, Pekore, Hakogo, Martangazo. That is a watch a Dodogorwa, Ludunjulas, Mare. Israel, Casate, Lotung Dogazere? Israel, Chesanga. Lochiton Sumja, Shibja Dandijala, Lumba Men and Yang de Warwa. Dunjulas is Chakaji Marwa. Rangzen sama zanjan lengorda. Omela de shilsha, omela shoyo marwa. Titi rage yo mare, ngadu rage de kare rangzere, shoya rangze shorwa. Omela soso semla nya. Len de rangzen lengo da. Mare. Ya. Tagarainda da ngadu roba singaji pagelle desha. 네, 부분이 내도 되셔. 나도 네, 나도 미게지요 되라. 다데스 주고르다. 이 카도디 니도 딩에 되는 랍도와. 나도 바스타 트레인 세 주게도 지대기 진이를 개요 말했어. 나도 될 내도. 네, 나도 두고 와. One more. Thank you. 나도 됐지. 요거 두고다. 이만 나오지는 가서 여기 나은기 잘라 브리스톨 파크웨이 라이저에 트레인 스테이션에 두고 와. 다른 가서 점보 미드는 두고 대신 고녀보다 델마도 bus no yan ji sum bus tu se ta le ma le che ani ti par train de ya do ji che oh di che ne sure ah mi de mo bo do de ka le ja go de ko do pe sure ya Juju dece, çöte slodo da. O de. Ta train de tada sinto sunga de. O ya. Peşo. Tada simso. O de. Kokoros. Yadoş. Şu. Al cidedo. Songa doda. Cidedo. Del cido. Ni gant cido. Ne train den da. Mazo de tsawado. Ene train alola danda. Kasa di 어 차와도 차로 땅에 가서 도시 차대셔 차와시거든 에시 땅면도 다시 된 로그도 좀 에시 땅에 비려 봐요 아니 부근인데 그도 건이 돼서 야버라서 아재 돼서 야버라도 돼서 야버라서 대체 되우대 당가도 돼서 드리다 오지데 정하다 데데 넘버 수소니 당 수소치고 되대요.
Welcome aboard this Great Western Railway service, London Paddington.
Yeah, basically.
야, 당가도 레서. 다쇼. 런던 베르던 레서. 데스 중고서 가서. 이제 지도 데스 이시. 다시 고서. 로드 레서. 아. 먼저 레게다 보고. 혼이 레게다. Yes. 네, 당 가서 가을에 때라도 봐봐 그래.
가서 파딩튼에서
이 코인배.
야분이 고마워.
아, 네. 단단단네 가서 야트 쓰는 도래. 단다 차요 마로 단다 테스토래. 남자들이 참가하고 싶어라. 쉬고 요마래. 나들이 참가 쉬고도. 아주 저희는 거야 돼 와서 거서. 아니 민족의 마음 쉬고도. Just only 3 water, please. That's it, yeah.
Can I help, please? Hello? Excuse me. Can you go this side? Thank you. Yeah? 1 cheese tomatoes.
That's right. Thank you. Drinking they are also at past then. Some more past then. There isn't get in Bakil. Then the past it. There. Laba about the Ido that day. Kill in the Jora.
Yes, never.
Underground dog and the Johnny Genus May. Kawasaki Saki dog. Landed the Saja Dong and the Chassimbo order. I judge to judge. Jet lemon of Chandachi. Sang the Casa Magare.
Please stand back from the platform edge.
The salad, the sandwich sauce here, you know.
You get this in your total thing for much one day. Color was same there.
Huh.
The check color was same there. Yeah. I train less order. I left down. They injured it. Oh, the Tumba Resha. Pay about there. The Saragde. The Saragde. Chidwa. The Sayavara. So, yeah. Couldn't you get the share? Tangadu there. Run is outside there. Passion bush pesos on it. Oh, Tangadu underground in my path. Oh, Tandelig. Tantanipala. Kamani Suruji Komajay, Aningazo. Bage Kembejasa Jogu, Aningi, Nobasola. Gane Kupala. Choose, ten to a chegera. Hangi Pomuni de Maratala do de. Come on. The doya data. Another little chicken dog, a party con at Tanwa. That's the Tunga and a man, how much so than nigger than ma Tungo to camera and Tunga and a man. Aqua Mendo, Terengerich. Number the Sishwa. Three 그래서 바스타 트렌다 그 상마 뒤세도 따다다도 질래네 제일 스무스도 장자 질래데 봐 인타여와 질래단데 언더 캠뱅 고주사 텔단 조토이 까마치스마 슬라메 아니 드네 가서 쉬어 건데 전에 잠이 순살마도 쉬어 건데 전에 돼래 어디인데 넘버 4 개념도 페로나 당이 3회 송고도 랭게 가르페고 나래 차슈를 마다베 시자치웨 랭게 가르페에 나니 소소소게 탕갈마 된체 페로나스 사땡안속에 레와 체쇼데레 당이 로바 미게지에 나도 런던 데바도 브리스톨에 레와 트윈스 바스임 인다 오치네 아지네 덴조타소 당아도 드네네 제 건조 네. 당아델레서 소네 너도 지시와 이 파지코네 지땅으로 들리지네
It was the night of the international
당아도 델은 제고서도 주주지 또 아니 렌차 쇼가데 마지죠 아니 도체 아니 도아데
And she was well aware, as we also must be well aware, that 26 out of the 31 basic human rights are being denied to Tibetans by the Chinese Communist Party. And those rights are also being denied to the Uyghurs, to the Hong Kongers, to the Southern Mongolians, and those rights will also be denied to the Taiwanese if the Chinese Communist Party gets their evil hands on Taiwan. So we are here today to pay tribute. It's a story of 170 acts of unbelievable bravery. So very quickly, what could we do to not make those heroes' sacrifice be in vain? Okay, number one, go and visit or write to your Member of Parliament. You can get the name of your MP by an internet search. They have surgeries 2 or 3 times a month. Go and talk to them or write to them. Tell them about why it's important not to kowtow to the Chinese Communist Party, as I'm afraid our current government is doing. Tell them why it's important not to give the Chinese Communists their mega embassy. 2, join a protest like this. The Ethnic Unity Act from the CCP has nothing to do with ethnic unity. It has everything to do with ethnic cleansing, the destruction of the Tibetan identity, Tibetan culture, Tibetan language, Tibetan religion, and the same goes for the Uyghurs, and the same goes for the Southern Mongolians. So, to finish, today we are honouring 170 heroes. Remember, every one of you, remember their sacrifice for Tibet. And by extension for all the ethnic minorities in China. And remember the last words of Lobga Rangzen. Don't mourn me, If you mourn, mourn for what the Chinese Communist Party are doing to Tibet. Channel your sadness and anger into being an activist. And remember me by continuing the resistance. Those are the words, the last words of Lobga Rangzen. So I say to you, next time you have a chance to do something in the struggle, and you find yourself making excuses, as I sometimes do, I'm too busy. What's the point? I can't be bothered. Just remember the sacrifice of these 170 heroes. Thank you.
Tibet will be. Tibet must be. Tibet will be. Tibet must be. Down, down. No more PRC. Down, down. CCP. No more PRC. Thank you very much, Nicola, for your speech. And our next speaker is Kaldila. Please welcome her to the stage.
With this offering, I pray that Lobga Rangzen be reborn in a free and independent Tibet. First of all, I want to thank all our non-Tibetan supporters who have selflessly come here every day or every year to support our cause. Your support for us will not be forgotten, and I'm forever grateful for that. Thank you. My name is Rangzen, and today I was given this chance to share my feelings on the occasion of 1 month anniversary of Paul's sacrifice. You might wonder, why am I here today? I'm no one special. I'm just a girl who also wishes to see my country be free from communist destruction. I also want to live freely in my own country. 1 month ago today, Lobga Rangzen did not just die. He sacrificed himself for the cause, for our cause, for an independent Tibet. 1 month ago today, Lobga Rangzen did not just die. He sacrificed himself to send a message to our helpless brothers and sisters in Tibet that he is with them and will be forever with them. He proved his courage and the love for our country. He left behind an unforgettable legacy. 1 month ago today, Lobga Rangzen did not just die. He sacrificed himself to reignite in each one of us the spirit to fight for our beloved motherland, for an independent Tibet. 1 month ago today, Lobga Rangzen has shown the world a new definition of heroism, a rare courage, an unfathomable bravery, and most selfless act of love. For this, we all Tibetans should be forever grateful and remember his sacrifice. This is our independence, and unite together and stand strong against brutal Chinese oppression. Today, I do not have something new to say which has not been said a million times before, but I must remind each and every one of my brothers and sisters to wake up. Our Pao has set himself on fire, and we should use his flame to revive the dying spirit within us and keep it burning until his wishes are fulfilled. We are not in exile to make a living and to live a comfortable life. I think we have forgotten that we bear this huge responsibility on our shoulders. Responsibility to fight for our country. The responsibility of millions of people in Tibet. And responsibility of our future Tibet. Today, if you are not stricken with sacrifice, it is the responsibility, it is the future, and the history as well. We should never forget the sacrifice. We should all stand strong and united as it was his last wish and hope for us. Today, we share this pain. The pain should never get buried. It should never get forgotten. Pegalo! 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 Thank you.
Pegalo! Pegalo! that very powerful speech. And we've also been joined by Rahima Mahmoud, who's the Executive Director of the Stop Uyghur Genocide. So she will be our final speech before we begin our march towards the embassy. Thank you.
Thank you. And friends, thank you to our Tibetan allies for bringing us together today. I stand with you as a Uyghur, as Executive Director of Stop Uyghur Genocide, and as someone who knows personally that the Chinese Communist Party's repression does not stop at China.
And make clear that Beijing's law have no authority over people exercising their freedoms in Britain. Use every remaining legal and political venue to reconsider the super embassy, placing national security and community safety above diplomatic convenience. Establish a national strategy against transnational repression with trusted reporting channels, trained police officers, and proper investigations into surveillance, threats, and intimidation. Work with Kazakhstan and other governments to protect at-risk communities from harassment, arbitrary detention, and the forced return to China. Consult Uyghur repression wherever it reaches. Thank you very much. Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Uyghur! Free Uyghur! Free Uyghurs! Free Uyghurs! Free Uyghurs! Free Uyghurs! Free East Turkestan! 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 Condemn ethnic unity law! 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 Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rahima Mahmoud. Thank you for joining us. So in a moment, we'll begin our march over to the Chinese embassy. Before then, I would just like to say that if you haven't got a poster with a portrait of somebody who's self-immolated, they're just by the banner that says, "How many more?" And during our march, we'll have a few people in high-vis. So if you have any problems, please come to myself or to them. And the route that we're taking is the normal route via Regent Street. And before then, I would like to keep chanting, China, China, China! Out, out, out! China, China, China! Out, out, out! China, China, China! Out, out, out! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Down, down! CCP! Down, down! CCP! No more! DRC! No more! DRC! Shame on! China! Shame on! China! Xi Jinping! Shame on you! Xi Jinping! Shame on you! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! China, China, China! Out, out, out! China, China, China! Out, out, out! China, China, China! Out, out, out! China alive! People die! China alive! People die! China alive! People die! Stop the killing! In Tibet! Stop the torture! In Tibet! Stop the killing! In Tibet! Stop the torture! In Tibet! Human rights! In Tibet! Human rights! In Tibet! Look what Rangzen self-immolated for! Free Tibet! Look what Rangzen burned for! Free Tibet! Look what Rangzen self-immolated for! Free Tibet! Look what Rangzen burned for! Free Tibet! It's found! Look what died for! Free Tibet! Look what died for! Free Tibet! Look what died for! Free Tibet! Look what self-immolated for! Free Tibet! Look what self-immolated for! Free Tibet! China Shen! China Shen! China out of Tibet! Now! China out of Tibet! Now! Country one! Free Tibet! Country one! Free Tibet!
Tibet!
In Tibet!
In Tibet! China shame!
China shame! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet! In Tibet!
Stop the cultural genocide! Stop the cultural genocide!
In Tibet! Now! Now! Free Tibet!
What do we want?
Free Tibet!
When do we want it? Now! When do we want it? Now! Human rights!
In Tibet!
Human rights!
In Tibet!
Religious freedom!
In Tibet!
Religious freedom!
In Tibet!
Media freedom!
In Tibet!
Media freedom!
In Tibet!
China, China, China! China, China, China! China out of Tibet! China out of Tibet! Shame, shame!
China shame!
Shame, shame!
China shame!
In Tibet!
In Tibet!
In Tibet!
In Tibet!
Out, out, out! Out, out, out!
China shame! China shame! In Tibet! In Tibet!
Tibet is not China!
Tibet is not China!
Tibet is not Xinjiang! Tibet is not Xinjiang! Tibet is Tibet! Tibet is Tibet! Tibet is my country! Tibet is my country! Tibet belongs to! Tibet belongs to! Tibet belongs to! I am a Tibetan! Tibet is my country! China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now! Shame, shame! Shame, shame! Human rights! Human rights! Religious freedom! Religious freedom! Me now!
Out!
China out of Tibet!
No!
China out of Tibet!
No!
Human rights!
In Tibet!
Human rights!
In Tibet!
Religious freedom!
In Tibet!
Religious freedom!
In Tibet!
Media freedom!
In Tibet!
Media freedom!
In Tibet!
Shame, shame!
China shame!
Shame, shame!
China shame!
Stop the killing!
In Tibet!
Stop the killing!
In Tibet!
Stop the torture!
In Tibet!
Stop the torture!
In Tibet!
Stop the cultural genocide!
In Tibet!
Stop the cultural genocide!
In Tibet!
Shame, shame!
China shame!
Shame, shame!
China shame!
UNO! Speak for Tibet! UNO!
Speak for Tibet!
UNO!
Speak for Tibet!
Justice for!
Lobga Rangzen!
Justice for!
Lobga Rangzen!
Justice for!
shame!
Shame, shame!
China shame!
China out of Tibet!
Now!
Chapter genocide! Shame, shame!
China shame!
Shame, shame!
China shame!
China out of Tibet!
Now!
China out of Tibet!
Now!
Shame on! Shame on! Human rights!
In Tibet!
Human rights!
In Tibet!
China out of Tibet!
Now!
China out of Tibet!
Now!
Tibet belongs to! Tibet belongs to! What do we want? What do we want? When do we want it? When do we want it? China out of Tibet! Genocide! Stop the cultural genocide! Shame, shame! Tibet is burning! Shame on China! Tibet is burning! Tibet is burning! Justice for! Justice for! Lobga died for! Lobga burned for! Lobga self-immolated for! Shame, shame! Shame, shame! United Nations equal! United Nations! Shame on! When do we want it? Shut down the colonial boarding school! Shut down the colonial boarding school! Hands off, hands off! Hands off Tibetan children! China, China, hands off! China, China, hands off! Hands off Tibetan children! Shut down the colonial boarding school! Shut down the colonial boarding school! Shame, shame! China shame! China shame! China shame! Freedom now!
टैक्सी मारता है दे इंची से तो
China life! People die! China life! People die! China life! People die!
China, China, China!
Out, out, out!
China, China, China!
Out, out, out!
China, China, China!
Out, out, out!
다 미마 카디체 스야에 아니 드레 미세게 남지도 만다드레 페 미망보 시우지 페샤 데인데 좀 제세로다 마제 슈게 테카선다 소소게 타베가라 랭게 예와체 다 드레 케침보 임바 아니 먼저 자체파 올로가 란제 다 클루 갈리 무스타 달야 초라 만도 후네 사말로 빼아버려 아타야게 세슈도 메마페 마부페 사테디 나바서 칸토도 시로 나서 쉬야이 오데 남시 타와데스도 이네 엄마 야부페샤 되는바 되다 Today mistake मोटा मांगो शेरू दिले दे दो लंगा ला इन पुलिस ने दो रोबा चने लंगा दे दो क्रॉस कारो चने दो तंग दो ये आबो दो
खाली थोड़ा चला था ये कहां से भाई जो ढूंढ
down.
Shame,
Yes, this is slow
shame.
down.
Human rights. Human rights. Stop the killing.
나도 this slow down 싫어질라스. 라. this 조다 샬라스.
Stop the torture. Stop the torture. Stop the cultural genocide. Stop the cultural genocide.
한지도. China.
China,
China, China. China, China, China. China, China, China. China, 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 China. Shame, shame. Shame, shame. China lies. People die. China lies. People die. Stop the killing. In Tibet. In Tibet. In Tibet. In Tibet. In Tibet.
잡다 어디 단들이 가도 다 천족에 베베베발이야 파라데도 땅 베베베발이야 라자도 자 파지 잔데도 자 되기 아니 셰단다 다마 탕갈 땡고레세 다 데레 다 탕갈 땡바이나 오 단들이 민든디 뭐보 요래 데인디 민든디 뭐보지 나로라 잡다 땅고래 어 데인디 오 세다 어디 미가세도 남아서 시기도 와 데인디 어디 미든디 뭐보 요래 미 뭐보도 써발라 잡다 가세 조게 미든 남아서 시기도 와 참에게 단다마 탕갈 대쇼라이 저와 다제리 탕갈 대괴게 내단데 대차고 와래 넘어도 코치 나라 논트자라 나데로나 세셔인다 다데 단다가도 UK게 나로 런던 라레 런던 자사 나로라 오야 다세다 배쇼 넘어도 드링운에게 잡다 배아버 두고 된디 넘어도 간도도 나로나 쇠이 아버리 가사 가라 코치 다세다 강아도 오늘 너때 다음에 위상 말라브체 아니 가도 자체 파울로가 랑제 프랑게 셰제 다 라셰지게 셰제스나메도 다 코랑게 오늘 강아도 미세 코라라 오야 강아도 자체 파울로가 랑제게 셰제데 마제바 난고라 내지 제스는 오늘 봄보래 오늘 봄보 오야 세다 미 한지 마보도 아코도 사람에게 드레시고 와 가슴 따들이 배바지래 배바래자 아니 그거 같이 보래서 여러 봐 딱 집어지려기도 와